Cheers.
Welcome aboard Falcor. I'm Leslie.
And I'm Steven.
We are a couple of adventure seekers from the mountains who traded it all in for a new life at sea. Together, we've mastered the art of tiny living in a camper, traveled to amazing places around the world, and now we've begun an endless saga of adventure and boat work aboard our 1981 CNC Landfall 38 Falcor. We invite you to tag along for the ride and support our journey by hitting the subscribe button and joining our Patreon community. Despite that, just had the best night's sleep ever. I'm gonna tell you why. So we have been cruising for 6 months and we are finally making some very big upgrades. But any upgrade on a boat is no simple task. So we're gonna take you along for the ride and show you how we make this stuff happen. This week, we purchased a memory foam mattress from our friend Hawk, who was then recruited to help us get this luxury item from the Key West Bight Marina to the boat. Behind the scenes!
We're actually just gonna throw in the water. So climb on in. Water bed.
Gonna turn the boat into a camper or what's happening?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna sleep on it tonight. It's like a camping trip. We got a Boy Scout thing we're doing.
Oh, okay.
That's all you gotta say.
I see that.
Boy Scout thing.
Put the mattress in the boat water. Good idea. You got it.
Hey, it turns it into a water bed.
True.
Ready to party?
Get this water bed moving.
After a comical experience getting the mattress on board the skiff we were able to borrow, we cruised into the sunset, cracked open a couple of beers, and enjoyed the view along our 1.5-mile ride out to our floating home.
I think this is the perfect dinghy. We'll just get a 20-footer and let her rip.
With a 90 horsepower motor?
With a 90 on the back, and then we can triple the horsepower on the boat. If we ever get in trouble, we'll just get the dinghy in front of the boat.
Once we got the mattress on board Falcor, we faced the next set of challenges, fitting it through the companionway, cutting it to fit the aft berth, and then figuring out how to put sheets on it.
Most actually, that mattress has seen in a while.
Alright. Here's my face. So Miss Leslie.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's comfy.
Bed's made.
That works. All right. Every bit of the struggle for this upgrade was worth it, especially when we paired it with the next one on our list. All right, yesterday we got the mattress successfully delivered. And today we're on Duval Street for our next upgrade. Got the wagon, ready to go pick up a package just in time for the wind. Before we did the Duval Crawl, the Tahoe Dream Team here waited out a FedEx delivery on a friend's front stoop. We had some unexpected entertainment, but no luck with FedEx. All we had to show for the day's effort was a blurry night and a Modelo buzz. A few days later, when we received the text that our package finally arrived, it was just a few hours before the wind was expected to pick up. So despite the choppy conditions, we hopped in the dinghy and made our way to the FedEx pickup location on Duval Street. Surprisingly, the address led us to Walgreens, so this will forever be known as the day we walked down Duval Street in Key West and went to Walgreens to pick up our new anchor. That's right, after our experience dragging in gale force winds here in Key West and chatting with all of you in the comments, we pulled the trigger and upgraded the size and style of our anchor. After carting our brand new 65-pound Mantis anchor all the way home, putting it together and resetting the anchor, we were ready just in time for the next batch of 30-knot winds to arrive in Key West. The upgrades, the adventures, and all that we share with you here is made possible by our shore crew, our friends, our family, the boating community, and you, the viewers. So if you've watched, liked, commented, subscribed, made us 10 gallons of fresh water every week, or helped us move a mattress, thank you for the love and support. Stay tuned for more upgrades and adventures to come.